12 limited edition The Chess Nerd Co boards. Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm The Chess Nerd and today it's that time of year again. We got our boards. They just got here from Spain. Let's open them up. Today's tool of the day is an Exacta. Super excited. Oh, that's a good start. Oh, this is opening up nicely. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Okay. It's good progress so far. I'm not gonna lie, this is rare. So what I'm unboxing here is 600-year-old art from the Muslims that used to live in southern Spain. And in fact, still there in Granada, the region where these boards come from, a lot of Muslim art is still there to this day. Ooh. Big reveal time. This is part of the red drop that I'm running, so 12 limited edition chessboards, free shipping of course. They will each sell for $500 US each because there are only 12 that exist in the world. You'll see, it's really astonishing. Good sign on that. Progress, some progress. There you go. Clear of the bubble wrap. Let me know how it looks. These are even better than last year. Oh my goodness. So you guys, this is dark walnut paired with natural maple. And here we have some golden rosewood on the sides. What a chessboard, look at this. Wow, so beautiful. All handmade. And it's called a red drop because this time the patterns inside are red indeed. The red drop will release October 1st, 2022 at 2 p.m. Eastern time zone. It will be a limited drop of 12 limited edition chessboards that will sell for $500 US each precisely. No taxes except if you're Canadian. No other shipping fees at checkout. No BS. The beauty of this drop is that we ship internationally for free to all countries of the world. So last year we shipped to 13 different countries, including Brazil, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, many countries in Europe, Australia, USA, Canada, etc. It was a beautiful time, and I want to replicate that again by including everyone in the world. Each board is handmade by the artisans in the shop in Granada, Spain. The boards will measure 20 inches by 20 inches with 2 inches square size, which is perfect for kings that are 4 inches and sets with kings that are 3.5 inches. So you want to set that's 3.5 inches to 4 inches. Each board will have the same intricate design of the Tarasea art that's over 600 years old, on which a beautiful varnish is poured onto the board so your pieces glide effortlessly. My website, thechessnerd.com/shop, is now available for browsing, so you can check out the drop and see all additional information there. Editing Zach here. If you also want company updates about the upcoming drop, make sure to follow the Instagram page, The Chess Nerd Co. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have an amazing day.